What is the relationship between money and inflation? Okay, let us start up with a very simple example. Suppose in an economy, suddenly there is an increase in money supply. Okay, people have huge amount of paper money with them. Okay, they have huge amount of paper money with them. Now, when they have a lot of paper money in their pockets, so their transactions demand for money will increase. They will increase the amount of money they will keep on everyday basis in their pockets, and hence they'll go on a shopping. Okay, so with an increased transactions demand for money, that is increased amount of money which they'll be keeping in their pockets for exchanging it for goods and services, what will happen is that they will go on increasing their demand. Okay, now producers would think that their demand has increased. Okay, naturally, why would they think? Because people are demanding more goods and services because people have more money. Now, with an increase in demand for goods and services, they will increase prices. Okay, because this is the relation. When demand would increase, prices would increase. Okay, well, law of demand says that if prices would increase, demand would decrease. So it's a one-way law. Okay, it is flowing one way. In case if prices would increase, then demand would increase. But when demand is going to increase, then prices will increase. Oh, sorry. I mean, what did I say? If prices would increase, demand would fall. Okay, that's law of demand. But when demand would increase, prices would also increase. Okay, because producers would think that yes, this product has a lot of demand. So even if I increase prices, it can keep demand at a higher level. So inflation would occur. Well, basically, this is like a percentage increase in money supply, percentage increase in money supply, which has happened at this stage. This has led to, with all of the related steps in between, it has led to a percentage change in prices. Okay, in prices. So this percentage change in money supply has led to percentage change in prices. Okay, so and this is in a very basic form is called quantity theory of money. It's called quantity theory of money. Fine. So when you increase money supply, it will lead to increase in prices. And that answer is given by quantity theory of money. What exactly is this quantity theory of money in its very basic form? Say, for example, there is an economy which produces, say, 500 units of output. Fine. And it is selling all of these 500 units at $10 each. Okay. So what is the value which is generated in the economy? That is $5,000. Okay. Now, the total amount of money supply in the economy is, say, $1,000. Now, this $1,000 should be paying for these $5,000 worth of goods. So how will they do so? When these $1,000 would change hands at least 5 times. Okay, so just put it in little more perspective. This is the total amount of goods which are being produced in an economy at the price level P. Okay, and so this is the total value of goods and services which are produced in the economy, which is 5,000. This $1,000 is the money supply, and the number of times this money is changing hands is V. So this is our basic relation. M into V is equal to P into Y. This is quantity theory of money. So it says that when there is a percentage increase in money supply, it will lead to percentage changes in prices, keeping V and Y constant. Well, this is a very, very simple introduction of quantity theory of money. We'll be talking about quantity theory of money in detail in our in our later recordings, where we'll be arguing the fact that V may not be constant, velocity of money may not be constant, probably in the presence of ATMs. Okay, but the major agenda of doing this recording is to tell you that in case if there is an increase in money supply, there would be increase in prices. Okay, and what is the theory behind this law? Fine. So, well, quantity theory of money says this: when there is a percentage increase in money supply, there will be percentage increase in prices, keeping velocity and y constant.